this is it. This is our table. If you notice, parang walang spare space kung saan pwedeng lagyan man ng plato, no guys. This is what you actually get if you are going to go for the 699 pesos. So notice, sabi nyo, saan ba yung 43 different kinds of meat, grillers, and side dishes? Actually guys, if you notice, for example, for this plate, no, this is actually chicken, and then it has different flavors. So similar with other meats natin, no, yung beef natin, and then yung mga pork. May mga variations ito. Depende guys kung anong flavor yung gusto nyo. So my suggestion, if they're gonna serve it like this, you know, just take it as is, and then kapag natikman nyo isa-isa ano yung gusto nyong ulitin, I think you're gonna move forward with that kind of, or with that flavor kung yun ang nagustuhan nyo. So I guess what else to do guys, tikman na natin to. We're gonna cook first, and ay grabe, ang dami pala dito. Hi, Ma'am Riza.
Yes po, hello po.
Hello, ayun guys.
Yes,
Ma'am,
sir.
can you explain po, how does it work here? Ano po ba yung ma-enjoy nila kapag bibisita po sila dito?
Yes sir, meron po kaming regular price po, is 649 pesos po. Meron na po silang 43 grillings and 20 side dish.
43 grillings.
Yes sir.
Different kinds of meat na po yan. Pork,
Yes po.
meat, and chicken. Tama
Yes
po ba?
po, beef, chicken, pork, and meron pong chicken skin. Yun po yung bago naming menu ngayon. Yung
Hindi pa doon natatapos guys. Meron pa tayong 20 side dishes.
sir.
Okay?
Yes po.
May mga maki.
Yes sir.
Really?
Yes po, meron pong mga maki and yung mga chicken karaage po, and then yung tempura po, and then yung bago po namin sa menu na kawachitswa, which is yung chicken skin po.
Grabe naman. So 43 plus 20 included
Yes,
na
sir.
yun sa 649.
49 sir. Yes
Yun yung
po.
regular price natin.
Regular price pa lang po,
Pero guys, just add 1 peso
Yes po.
for the regular price of 49 pesos.
Yes sir.
Ngayon piso lang. Ano yung ma-add, ma'am?
For only 1 peso po, maaabili na po nila yung unlimited seafoods natin na meron na po silang scallops, shrimp, and different kind of tuna, sir.
Different kinds of?
Tuna, sir.
Wow!
Yes po, 6 flavors po.
So mag-add lang ng piso.
Yes, sir.
They're gonna enjoy this. Itong nasa ano na to,
Yes
platter
po.
na yan. So ayun guys, medyo high-tech din pala yung pag-order dito if you are going to request for refill, no? So may bibigay silang QR code just like this. And then scan mo lang sa phone mo. And then kung may internet ka or you need to connect to the internet, lalabas siya para siyang e-commerce platform. So nandoon yung mga meat, yung mga side dishes, yung mga beverages. So pili ka lang kung ano yung gusto mo doon. And then add to cart, proceed. Right after that, marireceive ng kitchen. They're gonna prepare for it and then deliver. So parang contactless, high-tech. Alright, so again guys, thank you so much for joining us dito po sa video na to, and thank you so much Yoshimeatsu Mabalacat, Pampanga.
Yes.
How was the experience, Mama?
Ay nako, sa tingin ko sulit na 649. Very
Yes.
yung gusto mo bang kumain kasi sa
Yes.
dami ng masasarap na choices. However, talagang tao lang po tayo. Bumibigay din.
Talagang ikaw ang susuko, no?
Oo,
Pag ganito
yeah.
yung pagkain. Actually guys, so again, this is an unlimited restaurant, so order as much as you can. But then
Yes,
again, siyempre
yes.
po, be responsible in your pag-order naman po. No? Guys, if you wanna visit Yoshimeatsu Mabalacat, located po sila dito sa MacArthur Highway, Mabiga, Mabalacat, Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark natin dito,
Ay sa harap ng LTO Mabalacat.
they are open from 11 a.m. up until 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday yan. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hope to see you in the next one.
Peace out.
Bye guys! Hello.